Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited that you're here today. Today's video is my 2019 morning routine. This is a routine that I've been trying to implement into my every single day just to keep myself really productive. I find that it has helped me get more tasks done throughout the day and really stay focused and a little bit healthier in my opinion. So I wake up normally around 7:30 to 8. I use the bedtime feature on my clock app on my iPhone. I'll do some morning stretching in my bed and I'll turn off my heater, my electric blanket in my bed that I've put in. And this eye mask is from Moonlit Skincare. It says, "Let me sleep on it." I do sleep with an eye mask every night for the most part, just because I find that it helps me really black out any light coming through, and the only thing that wakes me up is my alarm. The next thing I'll do is just pull up my hair and makes me feel like more awake because my hair isn't in my face. And then I'll just put my glasses on. These glasses are by MVMT in the Rio style. You can get $15 off with the code INMYSEAMS15. The next thing I'll do is I'll get out of bed and I'll make my bed. So a friend of mine actually polled on her Instagram and saw how many people actually make their bed. And surprisingly, the majority of people don't make their bed in the morning. The reason that I've been trying to do this is because it has really helped me stay productive. And then I'll take my phone, I'll go into the bathroom, I'll kind of do my morning bathroom time. So I'll go to the bathroom, I'll then go in and wash my hands. And then I will brush my teeth. I've been using pink Himalayan salt on top of my toothpaste to help not only with your breath, but also just to remove any impurities. So I found that really helpful. And then I'll go in and I will pour myself a cup of coffee. My mom is amazing and she will always have some coffee ready in the morning. So I just pour that out into my reindeer mug. I love this mug so much. I've shown it on my channel before. And then I will open up my cupboard, pull my Hydroflask out. I will fill up my water bottle every single day for the most part. This has really helped my skin recently. I have been trying to drink 2 of these a day. One of these is actually 32 ounces, so 64 ounces a day. I will then go in and make myself a hard-boiled egg for breakfast. My breakfasts are always a little bit different every single day. I'll either have a hard-boiled egg, or I'll have a smoothie, or I'll have rice. But for my hard-boiled eggs, I normally will heat it up for 13 minutes. During this time, I really like to put any dishes away, or I like to do the laundry. So doing these chores actually in the beginning of the day has helped me to just really stay productive and get little tasks done. So I find that in the first hour of my day, I've already gotten like 5 tasks done, which is really, really motivating and helpful for me. Before, especially because I also work at home. Before I used to not really care, but it's really helped me a ton. And so I'll take my breakfast and coffee and water outside. Now I don't necessarily do this part outside every single day, but I decided to take it outside today because last week it was raining a lot and today was one of the first days that the sun was out. So I wanted to just meditate and pray, do my devotions outside today. So here you'll see me praying and just meditating. And I know it's kind of awkward for some people to watch this, but I do think that it's important to spend quiet time for yourself, whether that's 10 minutes, just to reflect on your life, write things down that you're thankful for, write things down that you envision for your life. If you are a believer, maybe spend some time in the Word. So these are all little things that have really helped me stay mentally healthy. A lot of people do suffer with mental illness, and I do believe that trying one of these remedies out could be helpful. Next, I'll spend some time on my phone. I don't like to spend too much time on my phone in the morning because I do spend most of my day on social media. But then I'll drink some water. I'll go into my calendar, take a look at my to-do list. I'll make my way upstairs to my office and I will then go in and start opening up my emails. I'll open up Instagram.
Alexa, connect to phone. Searching.
I listen to music during this time, so I do use Alexa for that. And then I will go in and check my mail. I will respond to any emails, follow up on any campaigns or collaborations I'm doing. This will actually take me about an hour. And then I wanted to go in and show you guys my skincare routine. So for those of you who obviously don't work at home or you have an office to go to, this is not a routine that I'm recommending you do, but if you have a Saturday or you have a day off or something and you have some time in the morning to be makeup free, this is a routine I'd recommend. So here I'm using my Shoot Mura Skin Purifier Cleansing Oil. I do like using a cleansing oil in the morning because I've been recently just loving the way it's made my skin feel. I pat my skin to dry, and I will do a sheet mask in the morning. In my previous morning routines, you guys have seen me do this. I do masks in the morning, I do masks at night. I love masking my face. I love just taking care of my skin. It's one of my favorite things to do. This one here is the Body Shop Drops of Youth Concentrate Sheet Mask. Now, they recently launched this one, and you leave it on for 15 minutes. So in that 15 minutes, I've been listening to a podcast. I've really been loving Stefan Speaks. He's on Instagram. He's got millions of followers. He is awesome, and a lot of the things that he's said recently has really resonated with me. I also wanted to show you that I use the Summer Fridays Overtime masks as well. After the 15 minutes are over, I will remove the mask. I'll rub the excess moisture into my skin, kind of give myself a massage, and then I'll go in with the Drops of Youth Concentrate. Now, I love this product so much, you guys. I've been using it for the past week now, and I will say that my skin has never felt better. My skin looks incredibly youthful. I know I'm not really that old, but it has really minimized the looks of my pores. And I follow up with the same Drops of Youth line of their eye cream. This just really makes my eyes look so moisturized, and after hours of having this on, my skin is still moisturized and plump. This is the Youth Cream. I use this as my moisturizer in the morning, and my skin just feels incredibly hydrated, really baby skin, soft. And doing all 4 of these steps in the morning has really changed the way my skin looks. It looks more bouncy and plump. So that is my entire skincare routine in the morning. I do like following up with SPF for my makeup. My makeup lays really perfectly and fine. You can see how juicy and plump my skin looks. But that's my entire morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to check out my most recent video, make sure you click this button here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I will see you guys in Wednesday's video. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a great rest of your day.